Welcome to EduTube, your go-to channel for all things educational. In our ongoing series on blockchain, we've covered the basics and core components. Now it's time to delve into one of the most crucial aspects of blockchain technology, consensus mechanisms. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your knowledge, this video will break down what consensus mechanisms are, why they matter, and how they work. Imagine you and your friends decide to order a pizza. Everyone wants a different topping, so you need to come to an agreement. In the world of blockchain, consensus mechanisms are like that decision-making process, but on a global scale. They ensure all participants in the network agree on the same data, maintaining the integrity and security of the blockchain. What is a consensus mechanism? A consensus mechanism is a protocol that ensures all nodes, computers, in a blockchain network agree on the validity of transactions. Think of it as a democratic voting system where the majority rules. Without consensus mechanisms, the decentralized nature of blockchain wouldn't work because there would be no way to confirm transactions or maintain a consistent ledger. Why consensus is important? In a decentralized system, there's no central authority to verify transactions. Consensus mechanisms enable trustless transactions, where parties can transact without needing to trust each other or a third party. This is fundamental to the security and integrity of blockchain networks. Different types of consensus mechanisms. Before diving into the specifics, it's essential to know there are various consensus mechanisms, each designed with unique principles and suitable for different applications. Some popular ones include proof of work, PoW, proof of stake, PoS, delegated proof of stake, DPoS, practical Byzantine fault tolerance, PBFT, and proof of authority, PoA. Let's explore them in detail. 2. Proof of work, PoW. Explanation. Proof of work is the original consensus mechanism used by Bitcoin. It involves miners competing to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first one to solve the puzzle gets to add a new block to the blockchain and is rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process requires significant computational power and energy. Daily life example. Picture a school science fair where students compete to solve a challenging riddle. The first student to solve it gets a prize, and their solution is shared with everyone, becoming the accepted answer. This competition ensures that only genuine and accurate solutions are accepted. Pros and cons. Pros. Highly secure, as the computational power required to attack the network is enormous. Proven track record, being the backbone of Bitcoin since its inception. Cons. Energy intensive, leading to high electricity consumption and environmental concerns. Slow transaction speeds, making it less suitable for high-frequency trading or applications requiring fast confirmations. Real-world impact. The energy consumption of PoW has sparked debates about its sustainability. Countries with cheap electricity like China and Iceland have become hotspots for mining operations. However, this has also led to increased scrutiny and calls for more eco-friendly alternatives. 3. Proof of stake, PoS. Explanation. Proof of stake is an alternative to PoW used by cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. In PoS, validators, instead of miners, are chosen to add new blocks based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This method is more energy efficient than PoW, as it doesn't require intense computational work. Daily life example. Imagine a group of friends pooling their money to buy a lottery ticket. The more money each friend contributes, the higher their chances of winning. However, if they misbehave, they risk losing their contribution. This system encourages participants to act honestly to avoid losing their stake. Pros and cons. Pros. Energy efficient, reducing the environmental impact compared to PoW. Faster transaction speeds, improving usability for everyday applications. Cons. Can lead to centralization if a few people hold most of the coins, potentially undermining decentralization. Less proven than PoW with fewer years of practical use and testing. Real-world impact. PoS has been adopted by several major cryptocurrencies as they transition from PoW to more sustainable models. Ethereum's move to PoS, known as Ethereum 2.0, is one of the most significant shifts in the blockchain space, aiming to reduce energy consumption by over 99%. 4. Delegated proof of stake, DPoS. Explanation. DPoS is a variation of PoS where stakeholders vote for a small number of delegates who validate transactions. It's like electing representatives to make decisions on behalf of a larger group. This method aims to combine the efficiency of PoS with democratic governance. Daily life example. Think of a classroom where students vote for class representatives. These representatives are trusted to make decisions on behalf of everyone, ensuring the class runs smoothly. Pros and cons. Pros: high efficiency and speed, suitable for high-throughput applications. Democratic approach, with stakeholders having a say in the network's governance. Cons: potential for corruption if delegates act against the interest of stakeholders. Centralization risks if a small group of delegates holds too much power. 5. Practical Byzantine fault tolerance, PBFT. Explanation: PBFT is used in permissioned blockchains and involves a system of nodes reaching consensus through multiple rounds of voting. It's like a board meeting where members vote on important decisions. This mechanism ensures that the network can tolerate a certain number of faulty or malicious nodes without compromising security. Daily life example. Imagine a jury in a courtroom where members discuss and vote on a verdict. Even if some members are biased, the majority's vote ensures a fair outcome. Pros and cons. Pros: highly secure and resilient to faults. Fast and efficient for permission networks. Cons: less suitable for large, decentralized networks due to its complexity and communication overhead. 6. Proof of authority, PoA. Explanation: PoA is used in private blockchains where trusted validators are pre-approved. It's similar to having a panel of judges who are recognized experts in their field. This method is efficient and secure for networks where trust is established among participants. Daily life example. Think of a panel of judges in a talent show. Only the selected judges can decide the winners, ensuring the process is quick and reliable. Pros and cons. Pros: high efficiency and speed as the number of validators is limited. Suitable for private networks where participants are known and trusted. Cons: centralization risks as the network's security relies on a small group of validators. Limited applicability for public decentralized networks. Conclusion. In summary, consensus mechanisms are the backbone of blockchain technology, ensuring security, transparency, and decentralization. From the energy-intensive proof of work to the efficient proof of stake and beyond, each mechanism has its strengths and challenges. As we continue our blockchain journey, understanding these mechanisms will help you appreciate the innovation and thought that goes into maintaining a decentralized world. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore another fascinating aspect of blockchain technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EduTube for more educational content. Thank you for watching.